Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 90 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. So as you can see, I do have a pattern set and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. So hold power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume up. So let's do that right now, both of the keys at the same time. Whoops, and try not to flip the phone like I just did. And there we go. And as you can see, once I let go of the key, it accepted it as an input. So let me just quickly go back to where I should be, which is this screen right over here. So once you see this page, you will need to use the volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume down will go down and up will go up, and power key is used to confirm whatever is selected. And what you want to do is select wipe data and then wipe all data and confirm. This will begin the process, and as you can see, it doesn't actually get to 100%, it gets like 2 and gives us data wipe successful. So simply click on power key to go back to the main menu, reboot to system. And while the device is now rebooting, it's going to continue the process in the background. So just give it some time. It's going to basically complete in the background, and once it's finished, it will present us with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is completely finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.